Hey, what's going on, traders? Today's going to be a quick video, just going to kind of run through and do a recap. I don't really have time because the kiddo's already home from school. Three trades: run, hood, and AXL. Scroll in here on hood. You can see yesterday's high 23.35. Made a decent little run up through there. Ended up getting short, and we ended up getting two ads here. Started with 100, added 100 and 100, so basically like a 1-2. Covered on the way down. Pretty good trade there on run. Was pretty happy with it. I had these last two covers. There's actually two covers here, and then this was 50 and 50. We were down to 100, so it was 100, 100, and then 50 and 50. I was trying to get this one down where I got this one, and then I was looking to get closer down towards 23.50 for that second one. But unfortunately, it just kept hovering around that 24 area, and I didn't want to let this thing go all the way back to the highs. So I ended up taking half off there just to be safe. And of course, like right after there, it started the dump, but it is what it is. Second trade was on hood. Decent little move out of this one. Previous high was sitting there at 12, had this little blip here in pre-market or after hours from yesterday, but started to come up, made a decent little move. Pretty good jiggle as well. Ended up getting short at that jiggle, 12.31, went to 12.36, and tried to piece out of this one, but clearly didn't want to go too much lower and just kind of nibbled it because it wasn't that great of an extension. 12.70, we would have definitely taken a little bit more shares and looked for a bigger part of the move. But unfortunately, just took a little nibble on this one because the range wasn't that great and the move wasn't that great, but ended up working out. And then AXL, this one was a volume out of nowhere, something about takeover rumor, went straight into a halt, was watching it out of the halt, and wasn't going to take any real size on this one just in case I wanted to go stupid crazy or whatever. I thought about starting with 100 shares, and I ended up starting with 25 shares because I'm not supposed to be trading after 12. It's one of my rules. So if I'm going to break my rule, I'm always going to use smaller size. And on top of that, the price action was kind of sketch. And just to show you how sketch it is, I hit this as it was coming back down through 11. It went to 11.04. And as it was coming back down through 11, we ended up getting filled at 84. So basically doubled our size and didn't really get our average up too much. And it pretty much went sideways at our average. Our average was 77. And you can see the price just kept going up and above, up and above, and above. And I was trying to hold on, looking for the bigger move down towards 10, but it didn't want to give it to us. And it'll probably go there now that it got all the last little bit of people out there. But I wasn't going to let the rest of them go all the way up to the highs. It just didn't make sense. It would have actually taken me right on the trade. So that's all I got. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate the support. If you do have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Find me in Discord, Twitter. Those links are down below as well. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.